Meet Jaden, a nursing major with a deeply personal motivation for entering the healthcare field. Inspired by his mother's career as a nurse, Jaden is following in her footsteps and finding his path here at Eastern. Jaden will tell us about Eastern's amazing nursing program and its state-of-the-art equipment. The floor is yours, Jaden.
Thank you, Alex, and hello, everyone. Growing up, I remember my mom coming home in her scrubs, tired from a long day at work on her feet. She's the one that inspired me to get into the healthcare field and follow in her footsteps as a nurse. I grew up in a small town where everyone knew each other. Eastern Connecticut State University has a similar quality. I enjoy walking around campus and on my way to class, running into people I know. I play basketball at the sports center, and I get to play with the guys who are in my classes too. I really like that Eastern isn't too big and makes everything and everyone feel more connected. Of course, the other big reason I chose Eastern is for the nursing program. Most colleges require students to take prereqs for the first 4 semesters before applying to nursing school. But here, you're accepted into the nursing program the second you walk on campus. Being able to know right away that I'm on the path to becoming a nurse was huge for me. Our nursing program offers so much, including our virtual dissection machine that allows for a unique look into the human body. We also have state-of-the-art practice labs with mannequins fully equipped to simulate different health emergencies. Within these labs, I'm learning essential skills and gaining hands-on experience that I can take with me in the future. When I was getting ready to apply to college, I was worried I'd be lost in the shuffle of some big school. But at Eastern, I can be myself. Our incredible nursing program is helping prepare me to become a difference maker in the healthcare system and make my mother proud. That's all from me. Back to you, Alex.
Jaden, it is so exciting to see your passion for helping others in need of medical attention. Everyone is under the care of a nurse at some point in their lives, and we know you will make a great nurse when you finish your studies at Eastern. Good luck, Jaden.